All right, here we go. Let's give her a shot. We've already done one plot and it did really good. I have the wheels engaged because we're trying to just get the top surface and the grass, tore up. So to do that, holding it like this with the blades at an angle, rip up the grass really easy. So as you can see, this little guy's tearing it up really good. Again, so I have the wheels down just to help maneuver. Let's get all this grass tore up. And I'm going both directions. So we're going this way and then we're going to go the other way as well. But this thing's doing really good. And this isn't the softest ground either. It has been raining, well, hasn't rained in a couple days actually. All right, so we're gonna put it on a time lapse and all right, guys, so there it is. We've got a couple more of these that we're going to dig out. If you're in the market for a tiller, I mean, this little electric thing's got a lot of juice. You saw it in the time thing. It did hit a couple of stumps, but it kicked them out pretty good. We'll pick them out of here. One other pro tip, if you have somebody that can help you with this cord to manage that, that's always a plus. So big thank you to Sarah. And yeah, I tell you what, grab you one of these, plug it in, get to tilling. This was definitely some fallow ground, but you saw how I had the wheels, broke up the top, and then took the wheels with this little, I don't know what you call it, but it's a spring-loaded adjuster. You pull that out, move the wheels out of the way, and then you saw me kind of backing through the dirt to get that depth. So I tell you what, this thing's working great. Looks like we do have a little bit of a, not too bad as far as, weeds and grass and stuff. You've seen some of these that look crazy after you get done with something like this. So that's not too bad. Easy to clean out. But yeah, grab yourself one today. It's the BILT hard, and it worked pretty hard too.